In this video, we are going to learn how to install an Android operating system on an Acer laptop. This is the only video you'll find on the internet, so watch it carefully. In the first step, you're going to download a software called Ventoy and use it to create a multi-boot pen drive. Once Ventoy is downloaded, extract it and run ventoy 2disk.exe. Now plug in your pen drive and click Install. The installation may take 30 to 60 seconds. Once the installation gets completed, you can move on to the next step. Now copy the operating system image file into the Ventoy partition. In this case, you need to copy the BlissOS image file, then close everything. In the second step, run the Minitool software. This tool can be downloaded from the File CR website or from my Telegram page. Now open the software. You need to create two partitions. The first partition should be named UEFI, with no drive letter assigned. The file system should be FAT32, and the size of the partition should be 101 megabytes. After setting it up correctly, press OK. The second partition should be named OS, and the file system should be exFAT, and the size of the partition should be 64 gigabytes. After setting it up correctly, press OK and press Apply. Then convert the 101 megabytes partition into an UEFI system partition. Press Apply again and close everything. To enter the BIOS, press the power button and rapidly click the F2 key until the BIOS menu appears. Follow the instructions shown in the video. After entering the BIOS, go to the Mon tab and enable the F12 key for the boot menu. Then, go to the Exit tab and select Exit Saving Changes. To enter the boot menu, press the power button and rapidly click the F12 key until the boot menu appears. Follow the instructions shown in the video. After entering the boot menu, choose the pen drive you have plugged in. If it doesn't show up, unplug it and plug it in again. You should now see the OS you copied. In our case, it's BlissOS. In the fourth step, you are now in the installation process. Follow each step carefully and accurately. Select BlissOS installation and wait until the OS loads. Now select the FE system partition you created. It will be shown as 0.10 gigabytes. Click Enter, select Format, choose FAT32 and click Enter. Then select Yes and click Enter. Now select the 64 gigabytes partition you created and click Enter. Choose Format, select ext4 and click Enter. Then select Yes and click Enter. This process may take 5 to 8 minutes to complete. After it finishes, select Reboot and click Enter. Here you need to select Yes and click Enter. Then select Refine Boot Manager and click Enter. You will need to enter the boot menu again to access the installed OS as shown in the video. Then select Refine Boot Manager and click Enter. Now select the installed BlissOS for booting and press Enter. Let's check whether this operating system has root access and if storage has been properly allocated. To shut down the Android OS, long press the power button and select Shutdown. To boot into this Android OS, you will always need to go to the boot menu. To hide the partition where the Android OS is installed from Windows, follow these steps. If you followed the steps carefully, the drive will be unmounted from Windows. Go to Windows Search, type DiskPart and press Enter. Then type list volume to display the number of volumes available on your PC. Now find the volume with a size of 64 GB and type select volume and volume number. For me, it's 2. Remove its drive letter, and the partition will be unmounted from your Windows operating system. If you wish to remove the Android OS installed on your PC, run Minitool and delete both partitions you created. Press Apply, and the Android OS will be successfully removed. If this video really helped you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crack with Alex. If you have any issues, you can contact me via Telegram, and I'll be happy to DM you personally.